Tim Swanson, Regional Product Specialist. We've been sending out these Abivium display kits, so we're just working with Madison here and gonna go through how to set one of these kits up. Great way to showcase what Abivium does and let your growers watch and see it firsthand in your own offices. So when you open up your kits, inside you'll find tweezers. There is corn seed in a little bag. If you have seed that you want to showcase, something particular to your area, go ahead. I have taken them out of the bag. I've counted out 15 seeds. There's a little vial of Abivium in the kit, some distilled water, and then we do have two dishes. I've already labeled one Abivium and the other one checked. I would ask, if you're taking pictures, you see something really exciting, if you would put the Abivium on the left side. That way we're all consistent, and then you'll have the check on the right side of your pictures. Just makes it simpler. If we showcase later, we see some really exciting stuff. Oh, and then also a syringe for the distilled water. So we'll jump into it. You need to put 6 milliliters of distilled water in each one. Let me get my glasses on. So I'll put 6 in the Abivium. Just want to make sure that paper is really soaked up. Get everything started and growing. Do it in a check. Okay. The instructions do say that you want to put the germ side up, which is the dented side of the corn, if that's what you're using. We'll take out the Abivium. You can just dump the Abivium, this little vial, dump it right back into the bag, and then we'll add the corn seed to it just to get good application. So I've got the Abivium in the bag, I've got the corn seed in there, just shake it up so you get good coverage. Now I'll place the 15 Abivium treated seeds in the dish. So after you get the seeds into the vial, into the petri dishes, just put the covers on. You'll want to keep these, give a little more moisture each day, a little more distilled water. Keep them in nice room temperatures, right, 70 degrees, just to get that full effect. You got lots of water left over. And share any good pictures you get, especially from different crops or different scenarios that you put it in. You could possibly even let this go dry, right? Simulate some drought conditions, take some pictures and compare. So a lot of different ways you can really individualize these for your location and your growers.